How to use disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger. So as you guys can see right here on the screen, disappearing messages, how it works. Messages will disappear in 24 hours and you'll also get screenshot notifications. If someone takes a screenshot of the chat, you'll be notified, and conversations can be reported. Disappearing messages can be reported up to 6 hours after they disappear. So if you have any kind of spam or any kind of foul messages, you can still report them up to 6 hours after they have disappeared. So let's see how you can use the disappearing messages. So tap on continue here, and here you can see the disappearing messages were turned on and messages will disappear after 24 hours. Now you can change it from here as well. So if you tap on change, and here you have an option for disappearing messages, you can turn it off or turn it on like this. If you don't see this on your profile, just tap on this eye icon to open the chat info and scroll down until you see the disappearing messages. Tap on it, and as you guys can see, it is now set to 24 hours. So after 24 hours, all of the messages will be gone. Now if you turn it off, whatever you send like this will stay here forever, but if you turn it back on and set it to 24 hours, now the messages that you send will disappear after 24 hours, and you will see a countdown timer right besides the message. And that's how you can turn on and off disappearing messages. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.